In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks on Google Calendar. If you want an easy way to coordinate work with other people. Creating a shared calendar specifically for tasks is a simple and effective option. This helps everyone stay on the same page, see deadlines clearly, and understand who is responsible for what. To begin, open Google Calendar on your computer. Once the calendar loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that area, find the section labeled Other Calendars. Next to it, you'll see a plus sign. Click that plus sign, then choose Create New Calendar. You'll now be taken to a page where you can set up a brand new calendar. In the name field, enter something clear and recognizable, such as Shared Team Tasks. Giving it a specific name makes it easier to separate task-related items from your personal schedule or other calendars you may already use. After entering the name, click Create Calendar. Once the new calendar has been created, return to the main Google Calendar screen. In the left sidebar, locate the calendar you just made. Hover your mouse over its name, then click the three-dot Options menu. From there, select Settings and Sharing. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section called Share with Specific People. This is where you can allow others to access and work with the calendar. Click Add People, then enter the email addresses of the collaborators you want to include. Be sure to assign the appropriate permission level using the drop-down menu. You can choose Make Changes and Manage Sharing if you want someone to have full control, or make changes to events if you want them to help update tasks without managing access settings. Choosing the right permission level is important because it determines how much control each person has over the shared calendar. After sharing the calendar, you can start adding tasks to it. Go back to the calendar view and click on a time slot to create a new item. From there, set it up as a task or event, depending on how you want to organize the work. Make sure you add clear details so everyone understands what needs to be done. A helpful tip is to include who is responsible directly in the description, especially if multiple people will be viewing the same calendar. Using a dedicated shared calendar for tasks can make collaboration much more organized. It keeps assignments visible, improves accountability, and gives your team a single place to track upcoming work. Once everything is set up, sharing and managing tasks in Google Calendar becomes quick and straightforward.